This is a test of the Washburn Lyon redone with the pickups that I described in a prior video. These are Filtertron cheapos off of eBay. And I've got them wired to this 5-way switch. We'll start in the bottom position, which will be this humbucker. Then the split position, or actually not a split position, but it takes these two and puts them in parallel. So and then the third position right there is the neck bucker. The fourth position is a split of this pickup, actually a split of the neck pickup and this full pickup, and it's kind of a weak sound. And then the top position is the bridge pickup in parallel. So you get kind of a trebly sound. Anyway, using kind of the traditional settings for these pickups, which were the bottom position and the third position, they sound pretty good. I think they only cost 16 bucks, but they're Filtertrons off of eBay, and they're just in this little Washburn Lyon guitar, which I put a whole ton of work into. And you know, these aren't bad pickups, I don't think. Haven't gigged with them, so don't know on that front. See ya.